This is how we sling equipment using a helicopter. It's called vertical reference or slinging, depending on kind of the work you're doing. So today I'm going to show you all about how we use the different types of equipment to move stuff using a helicopter. So what we have here is basically, this is one of our 100-foot lines. It's a synthetic line, and basically we just have hook on one end, hook on the other, and this one is actually an electrically operated line. So it also has the synthetic line, but attached to it we have the cable which uses to plug into the aircraft. And primarily what this is used for is our water buckets, so that we can operate the release mechanism of the water bucket from the helicopter. Most of the water buckets use this kind of line because we can just hook it straight to it. We have no need for the bucket to come off the line, which you would use something like a remote hook. So this line here, this is just a 100-foot line that's got no electrical cable going down it. We use this mainly for our concrete buckets or things that we want to sling that we don't want to release. So when we're doing drill moves and things like that, we just use our 100-foot synthetic line here. Okay, this is our selection of remote hooks. These are our synthetic lines, but we also have the electrical cable going the length of it, because at the bottom we have our remote hook. So the remote hook basically consists of several parts. We have the swivel here, which allows the hook to turn so that if the load is turning through the air, it doesn't basically wrap up the line and twist it up, which would severely reduce its lifting capacity and also can cause breakages. And then at the bottom of the swivel, and the swivel also is an electric swivel, so we have the electrical cable going in here, transfers the electrical signal down and comes out into the bottom end of the swivel, the fixed half of the swivel if you like. So we have basically the hook, and the electrical connection basically allows us to press a button on the cyclic and it releases the hook. At the moment it's locked, and it stays locked at all times until we press the button. The other way that we can release it is by opening or turning this knob, and it releases the mechanical lock inside, and it allows us to load gear that way. The other thing is it's got a keeper on it which is sprung loaded, so we can basically just snap eyelets and shackles onto that and it stays hooked. So it's good for when we are basically hooking up stuff to the aircraft on the ground when it's in flight, and we can then just allow the aircraft to basically not have to land. So it works really good. You can just snap the loads on, pilot takes it away. So the other thing with the remote hook, basically the red thing around it is just a cage, and it's just there to protect the hook, and we use it to set the hook down. So when we're bringing the hook back from the end of a job, we can just basically nice and gently set the hook down on the ground and then land the aircraft. Sorry guys. I'm just trying to shoot this video and I've got one of the hangar dogs here, Tika. It's just done the loudest fart. I don't know if you heard it on the video there, but Tika, I'm trying to film here. I swear, you try to make videos, and if it's not something else in the background, it's something trying to distract you. So, okay, you need to beat it. otherwise I'm never going to get this video done. Oh my goodness. If you found this video interesting and helpful, awesome. I love making these videos. If you liked it, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, stick them below. I love reading your comments, answering them, and basically just interacting with you guys. That's why I make these videos. So until next time, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you soon.